Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna replace a fog light from a BMW X3. Look over here. I have a crack in my fog light. And here we go, I got the new fog light right here. As you can see over here, there's a small clamp. So it's pretty simple. There's a small clamp that needs to be pushed down. So I pretty much need to dig in there and push that clamp down and then pull it out. Here you go. Let's see if it comes. Here we go. Now pretty much I'm gonna have to unplug it right here. Take my old light out if I want to use the old one. Crank it out. Here we go. Put it in my new bulb fog light. Hold on. This rubber, you want to make sure it's all the way around there. That's pretty much like a water seal. Here we go. So now that I got the old light back in, I'm gonna take this down. Now I'm gonna plug it in the power boom, and now pretty much push it back into the place. Here we go. And that's pretty much it on the fog light. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's an easy installation, doesn't take too much time, and way cheaper than any dealership.